Welcome Nail Divas, it's Fab Diva Franklin here, and I just wanted to come on for a very quick update on my 2-week wear of the Apres dupe using the Makartt full coverage nail tips and long coffin / ballerina. They work very well. As you can see, I'm going to go through every nail and show you that I have absolutely no lifting on any of the nails. The only complaint that I would have, and it's not really a complaint because I could have fixed it, but I didn't alter my nails at all because I wanted to show you guys exactly how they looked after 2 weeks. But the only thing that I would have done probably after about a week is I would have reshaped them a little bit, tighten up the square tapered look, because they did round out around the edges. It was not an issue for me to where it really bothered me at all, but that's the only thing that I would change. Overall, this is probably how I'm going to be wearing my nails because it was a lot easier. It took a lot less time for me to do it on myself. Have any complaints about these nails or the way that the application process went and the wear went, I will definitely be doing it again. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be showing you how I make a custom set of press-on nails. I have started a new press-on nail line, Diva Pressed Nails. Please follow me on Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.